How you doing, backers? Okay, for this video we'll be making chili con carne with braised rice. Right, what you need is 2 tins of kidney beans, rinsed out, and put in the sieve ready. Some crushed garlic, some 2 finely chopped onions, some peppers, and I'm going to add some of this from a local business called Bongo Chili. Go check them out. And 2 chopped tomatoes, and some Worcestershire sauce, a bit of a shake of that. And some pepper, and some mince, and some beef stock, and also some olive oil. I'm using this because we are making chili. Okay, so what I'm doing is frying the onions and the garlic, and the crushed garlic. Right, so what I've done is put the mince and the tomato and the chilies in, and I'm stirring. And I've also put some Worcestershire sauce in now. Okay, so I've put a lid on it now and put to the simmer now for around about an hour, and I'll be returning, giving it a little stir from time to time. Right, now onto the braised rice. So what you need is 50 grams of butter, 2 diced onions, and 2 diced carrots, and 125 grams of long grained rice, and 125 milliliters of vegetable stock. Okay, so while the butter is melting in the pan, wash out, rinse out the long grained rice. Right, so once the butter's melted, add the vegetables and mix until they are all soggy. Right, once the vegetables are softened, I've added the rice, and now I've added the stock, and I'm giving that a good stir. Okay, so when it's boiling like this, what I'm going to do now is going to take it off the heat, and press it down like so. Okay, and put it in the oven. Right, now it's been an hour, I'm going to give our chili another stir. And add the kidney beans and some bay leaves if you want to. Give it a little bit of another stir. And cover for a further 10 minutes. Now once everything is done, obviously the pan with the based rice in it is going to be very, very hot, so be really careful. Oh, and even through these oven gloves, I feel some heat. Okay, and that's all after the further 10 minutes. And once you're happy with your chili. And bon appetit. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure, if you haven't done so already, you leave it a thumbs up, do comment, drop a like on it, and also if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and turn that notification bell on. And as always, if you want to learn to cook, whether you or not you've got autism or you haven't, do remember, I have your back.